Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to use Scratch from scratch. To open Scratch, go to window menu and open Scratch, and here the Scratch window is loading, and this is Scratch. This is block palette, this is code area, this is stage area, this is sprite area. To write code, drag and drop the block from block palette to code area like this. Or to delete this, put the block back in the block palette. Block palette has 3 tabs: code tab, costume tab, and sound tab. There are many options to add blocks like motion, looks, sound, events, control, and etc. You can also add extension like music, pen, video, sensing, text to speech, and many more. And this is sprite area where you can add sprite by clicking on this. Like you can click on any sprite to add sprite, or you can import a sprite, or also can draw a sprite. And this is backdrop option. Here you can also add code the backdrop and add or design backdrops. Now go back to the sprite. You can also add backdrop by clicking on this, like, and also can draw the backgrounds. Now let's go to the code area. Let's go to the code tab and go back to the sprite. Now I will show you how to make a simple Scratch project. From Scratch you can make many things like an application and game and many other things. I will show you how to make a simple project. First go to events, drag green flag, click block, go to motion, drag move 10 step block, and if I click on this when click green flag, it will a sprite will move 10 steps. Or you can either click on green flag to do this the same, or to store the program you can click on the red button. To run the program you can click on the green flag. But you are saying our sprite is move only 10 steps, only one time. To do this forever, go to control, drag forever block, and put, and in between forever put move 10 step block. And when you click on green flag, it will go forever move 10 steps, but our sprite stuck here. To solve this problem, go to the motion and drag if on edge bounce block. Now you will see our sprite will not stuck and go continuously. But there is a problem. The sprite you are seeing after touching the edge, it goes inverted. To solve this problem, drag set rotation style block left right. Now it will flip left right after touching the edge. Now go to extension and I will show you how to make a beautiful pattern using the pen extension block. Drag pen down block. You can put anywhere in this program, but in forever loop block. When you click green flag, you see our sprite is making a line with the pen. Now I will show you how to make this more beautiful with amazing pattern. Set rotation style all around and change this direction like up to between 0 and 45 degrees. Let's take 60. Press green flag. Now you will see it will making a beautiful pattern. Here the sprite is making a pattern like you are seeing in the stage area. You can also change the color of the pen by set pen color to any color you want, like you can change it to any color by your own choice. You can also add costumes to this sprite to do animation and many things more. And there is also stuff, and there is also an option of sounds. You can add many sounds. Here the Scratch already gives a bundle of many sounds like animal effects, loop, and many more. You can choose many sounds from this collection, and also can edit the sound, and you can upload your own sound. So in this video I have introduced you about Scratch. In my next video I will taught you about how to make a simple Scratch game. Thank you.